Holy smokes, look at what I got myself into. It's like 1.5 feet, 2 foot deep here. Still got some snow on top of it. Jake, why'd you tell me to go through that?
You can't blame it on me.
Oh, why not?
Because it goes back to the bridge thing. If I told you to jump off the bridge.
Well, we're not our mothers right now. I gotta blame it on somebody, right? Luckily, me and Jake got stuck. It's only about a mile away from his house. So,
Luckily, we got stuck.
well, well, you know, you own land like 2 miles away, so we could have got stuck there, so whatever. Good exercise, right?
Yeah.
The Nissan was telling us to get the hell out. I didn't eat my egg for the day, so the tow trucks won't stay away.
Cruising down the highway.
Jake, nobody's picking us up, bud.
I know.
Jake, what do you got there?
What?
Is that your tractor?
Yeah.
We're in the National Harvester today. Everybody's beeping their horn at us. Jake, you think this thing's gonna be able to pull this thing out?
Probably not, honestly.
Really?
I don't understand it. It's funny.
Now Jake's stuck. Oh, got out of it. You gotta be careful. We don't want that thing stuck. If we get that thing stuck, we're never gonna get out of here. Jake's getting into position. Oh yeah, that's probably the safest spot right there, because then it gets really bad. It was a good spot to break down, dude. I can see everything. You gotta sound like nothing. What? You gotta sound like nothing. Now I gotta find my camera. Oh, there it is. Jake got us out. Holy cow. I didn't know that little thing would do it, but she did it. What do you think, Jake? You impressed with your little tractor?
Yeah, you put her in low. She's on the spot, so.
Then you just put her in, what, your second gear or something, and then you just started towing me like a toy.
Lowest gear I went.
Oh.
It was about probably 1 mile an hour.
But she did it.
Then you started catching up to me, so I threw her high real quick and gave her the gas.
Give her some snot?
Yeah.